Hello everyone, today we are going to get into very unrealistic world of space in this video. It is the first video of the series of unimaginable event of space, and our weird question is, what if someone fall into the black hole? Interesting, right? So let's sit back tight and stay until the end of the video to know what would happen if you fall into the black hole. Space. A silent, vast expanse. It stretches infinitely in all directions, a canvas of endless possibilities and mysteries. Imagine floating in this void, the feeling of weightlessness, the absence of sound. It's both eerie and awe-inspiring. Stars like distant suns twinkle in the darkness, each one a beacon of light, a potential home to unknown worlds. Swirls of gas and dust, nebulae, paint the cosmos in vibrant hues. These are the birthplaces of stars where new suns are born. The universe feels peaceful, serene, a tranquil expanse that belies the dynamic processes constantly at work. Yet, hidden within this beauty lurks a monster. A black hole. A region of space where gravity reigns supreme. Black holes are not empty spaces. They are dense, mysterious objects with immense gravitational pull. They are regions where gravity is unbelievably strong. So strong, in fact, that they can bend light and warp time. So strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. They consume everything that comes too close. This incredible force warps the fabric of space-time itself, creating a well in the cosmic fabric. Imagine a bowling ball on a trampoline, distorting the fabric around it. This is a simple analogy for the complex reality. That's what a black hole does to space-time. It creates a deep well, a point of no return, altering the very nature of the universe around it. As you drift closer to a black hole, something strange happens. The very fabric of space and time begins to warp and twist in ways that defy our everyday understanding. It's as if the universe itself is being pulled into an abyss, a point of no return. The starlight around it seems to bend and distort. This bending of light is not just a trick of the eye. It's a fundamental consequence of the black hole's immense gravitational pull. This is gravitational lensing in action. The black hole acts like a cosmic magnifying glass, bending the light from stars and galaxies behind it. The black hole's immense gravity warps the path of light, creating a bizarre visual spectacle. It's a phenomenon that allows us to see the otherwise invisible. Stars appear in different positions, their light stretched and smeared. This distortion can make it seem as though the stars are dancing around the black hole. The closer you get, the more pronounced these effects become. The gravitational forces at play are so strong that they can even bend the path of light itself. The black hole, invisible to the naked eye, reveals its presence through this cosmic light show. It's a silent yet powerful reminder of the forces that govern our universe. It's a beautiful yet unsettling display of the immense power hidden within this region of space-time. The black hole stands as a testament to the mysteries and wonders that lie beyond our everyday experience, inviting us to explore and understand the cosmos. Eventually, you reach a point of no return, the event horizon. This is the threshold around a black hole where the gravitational pull becomes so overwhelming that nothing can escape it, not even light. It's a boundary that marks the limits of our understanding and the beginning of the unknown. This is the boundary around the black hole beyond which gravity's pull is absolute. The event horizon is not a physical surface but rather an invisible line in space. Once you cross this invisible line, there's no coming back. The immense gravitational forces would stretch and compress any object, a process known as spaghettification. Not even light can escape the black hole's grasp from this point onwards. The light gets bent and pulled into the black hole, making it invisible to the outside universe. What happens inside the event horizon? We can only speculate. Theories suggest that the laws of physics as we know them cease to apply. Our current understanding of physics breaks down at this point. The singularity at the center of the black hole is a place where density becomes infinite and space-time curves infinitely. But one thing is certain. Crossing the event horizon is a one-way ticket to the unknown. It's a journey into a realm where the rules of our universe no longer apply, and what lies beyond remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. Now before moving on to the last section of the video, if you not then please subscribe and comment on the video and show me your full support so I can make more of this kind of engaging and interesting video for you all. Now let's get back to our video. As you fall deeper into the black hole, The gravitational pull on your feet becomes significantly stronger than on your head. You begin to stretch like spaghetti. This process, aptly named spaghettification, isn't pleasant to imagine. Your body, stretched and compressed, would eventually be ripped apart. What happens to this shredded matter? Does it get crushed into the singularity at the black hole's core? Or does it get spat out into another universe? These are questions that continue to puzzle scientists today. You can write it down here in the comment box as, what do you think about this situation? And meantime, we hope that one day, our space scientist will come up with answers that are not available now. Till then, keep watching our videos and know something about the space. See you in next week here with new video with weird question.